Right. So we have seen to start with one very small question. I think all of you got it. Most of you got it correct. 3187 in decimal to be converted to hexadecimal. The answer will be C73. Okay. ठीक है. Today we are going to see some other things. ठीक है. ये topic के बाद we'll start with similar concepts. But अब क्या होगा? Here we will be going from अब decimal नहीं होगा. What was the in the two varieties that we have seen so far? Either we were converting from decimal to another number system, or from another number system to decimal number system. So that means decimal was a common part, common element in both the cases. Now, what we are going to see is decimal won't be there. It will be like from binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to octal, hexadecimal to binary. कुछ इस तरह का देखेंगे अब हम लोग. Okay. So now we'll see conversion from one non-decimal number system. अब decimal नहीं आएगा बीच में. Decimal won't be there in the middle. Non-decimal number system to another non-decimal number system. Okay. So try out something, some questions. First one. One zero one 101. Okay, this is an binary. अच्छा बाइनरी से तो डेसिमल आई थिंक यू कैन डू वेरी क्विक राइट how to convert from binary number system to the powers expanded form.
Yes.
Okay, so let's say this is a binary number system and you have to convert it into octal number system. How will you do? What will be the answer? What are more types of number system? No, more types of Ankit nahi hai number systems. I mean ki where non-decimal number system won't be a common element. Decimal number system won't be a common element. Like from binary to octal, octal to binary, octal to hexal, hexadecimal, hexadecimal to octal, ऐसे करके. Okay, try it out and let me know what will be the value of x.
Sir, should we apply the same expansion method?
You do whatever you think is whatever thing you think you can do. Whatever strikes to you. You know how to convert from binary to decimal. You know how to convert from decimal to any other number system.
Sir, will we convert it to decimal first, then convert it to octal?
Try it out. Tell me one answer. Okay, Bharat believes it's 55.
So 55, sir.
55. Okay. You also believe it's 55? Anyone else with different answer? Okay, Prithviraj का भी 55 है. That's good. ठीक है. We'll settle down to this answer. Answer is 55. But now you see, what is the problem here? The problem is that there are, okay, yeah, Rolvin also got 55. So the problem is, uh, just a minute, give me a minute. Guys, give me a minute, please. Yeah, sorry, had a call. See, the problem with these type of questions is actually there are two problems involved, right? At one single time, you are doing two types of different types of computations. That is, one conversion will be from any other number system to decimal first, and then decimal to that required number system, right? So it is time consuming. But I'll tell you a trick, and then you will find that this is the easiest of the easiest types of problems. You will solve it within 10-20 seconds. ठीक है, ये 10-20 seconds में solve हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so just follow me. So let's say when you have a binary number system and you want to convert to octal number system, okay, I'll write here. If
Sir, the method which you will be teaching is only specific for octal, sir.
just follow me, थोड़ा देर सुनो. It's not for octal, it's for other also. सुन लो पहले. You won't have any problem with interconversion. Octal to binary, binary to octal, hexadecimal, सब solve हो जाएगा इस. Everything you will be able to take care. Okay. If converting from binary to octal, okay, make groups of three in binary number. Then find the decimal equivalent, the decimal number system equivalent of each group, and you will understand the meaning. It's very simple. Of each group all decimal values taken together will be your required octal number. Dekho, what I mean by that. For example, this is our question. Binary number is given. Okay. So I'll take it as 1 0 1 1 0 1. Now, when you have your binary number, take it and divide it into groups of 3, starting from right to left. Okay, right to left. So I'll start dividing it into group of 3. I'll start from the rightmost digit. This is the first group. This is the second group. Okay. Now, for each of the group, then find the decimal number system equivalent of each of the group. So, what will be the decimal equivalent of each of the group? 101, if it is in binary, what will be the value of this in decimal?
5, sir.
5. 1, 2, 4. Middle one will cut because 0 into 2 will be nothing. Okay, so this will be
4
1.
plus 1.
4 plus 1, that is 5. Here also 4 plus 1, that is 5. And when you take them together in the same sequence, that is your required octal answer.
Sir, sequence means from right to left.
Grouping should be from right to left.
Sequence also, sir.
सीक्वेंस तो जैसे आ रहा है वैसे लिख दो, राइट टू लेफ्ट टू राइट जो भी लिखोगे, यू कैन टेक इट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. ठीक है. So you see 55 again. Okay, I'll explain with a new example. Example 2. I'm writing anything randomly. 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. Let's say this is a binary number. अगर मैं इसे बोलूं कि if I tell you to convert it into octal, अब तो फिर क्या होगा? You will take a lot of time. पहले इसको convert करोगे. You will convert this first into decimal, and then whatever is the decimal number, then you will convert it into octal. So here, following the same trick, what I'll do is I'll write the number 101 011 01, and from left to right, I'll start dividing into groups of 3. First group.
Sir, there are 8 digits.
That's what I'm telling you. 3. Wait. 3. Now you see, you cannot form the last group. Okay, because only 2 numbers are there. Doesn't matter. If last group you are not able to complete, add a 0 before it. Okay. If only 1 would have remained, you could have added 2 0. Okay. So if you do not get the group's required number of elements, that is 3 digits in the group, okay, add zeros before it, because adding 0 doesn't make any difference in any number system before it. Okay. And then form it as a group.
So we can leave it like that and take the...
Yeah, up to you. Just for the sake of consistency of the approach, I have just told you. नहीं तो वैसे भी छोड़ दोगे तो there is no problem, because that 0 doesn't make any difference. Okay. Now, tell me what will be the answer. 101 is 5. 5, and this is 2. So X will be ये इसका आंसर है. Isn't it simple? ठीक है. कुछ भी नंबर ले लो. One more example if you want, I'll solve. 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. ठीक है. Let's say this is number. जल्दी से इसका आंसर बताओ within 30 seconds.
One 167, sir.
167. Okay, let us check. बाकी लोग भी बताओ. I'll give you another 10 seconds.
167, sir.
167. Okay. ठीक है. Let us see. Ullas also believes 167. First group, second group, third is there. You can add 2 zeros before it to make it into the group of 3. And then, yeah. So this will be 7, right? 7. This is 1 2 4. This will be cancelled. So 2 and 4 will give you 6. 6 and this will be 1. Okay, correct. Isn't it the easiest? Okay. Now, I'll go to third type. I'll take the same number 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay. And let's say I'll add one more one here. Right. And I'll write 2. Hint. For hexadecimal form groups of 4. Rest process remains same. चलो बताओ जल्दी. Tell me first. Okay, Aditya believes F7. Ankit also F7. Okay, let us see.
F7, sir.
F7. Okay. So 0 1 1. If you convert this binary to decimal number system, what will it come? 1 2 4 and 8. 8 into 0 will give you 0 only. So 1 2 and 4 will be added to give you what? 7. Then all ones 1 2 4 8. No zeros are there, so you will add 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. You will get yes, Ruchika also, so F7, yeah, correct. So this 1111 will give you 15, and 15 we know in hexadecimal which digit corresponds to 15, which alphabet rather, वो होगा F, that will be F. So the required answer will be F7, which is in your hexadecimal number system. Fine. चलो एक final example solve कर लो. Just a minute. I made a mistake here. This was the 4th. I'm not sure whether this you will find in your book or not, but Janlo, this is a very easy method. Okay.
Sir, if we use this method in board exams, then will we get marks?
देखो time रहेगा. If you are having time, which of course you will get, you can use that long method. और वो long method से answer verify करने के लिए रफ में ये देख लेना. Okay. Use the long method only. And in rough, you quickly verify whether whatever you have got answer after conversion, because that method is more prone to errors, because that will involve some long steps of conversions from one number system to decimal and decimal to back इसमें. Okay, but rough में इसको भी करके एक बार check कर लेना whether you have got the right answer. But just to let you know, it won't come in board because it number system conversion is not the part of your 12th syllabus. But yes, you will have this in your जो आगे जाओगे फ्यूचर में in your colleges, you will learn in 3rd year and 4th year these things you will learn. ठीक है, 2nd year में maybe, I'm not sure, मुझे याद नहीं है ठीक से. Okay. Okay, solve करो इसे. See, if you start solving this one by long method, then तो फिर बहुत टाइम लगेगा. And even if it by any chance comes, इतना बड़ा नंबर नहीं देगा वो लोग. और टाइम नहीं है तो then use that short one only. I think teachers may be knowing, जो बोर्ड का पेपर चेक करेंगे इतना तो पता है, 100% पता होगा. Six DD. Okay. All of you believe 6 DD. Okay, let us see very quickly. So this will be 1, 2, 4, 8. So 2 will cancel because 0 into 2 will give you nothing. So 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So 13, which will correspond to ABC, 10, 11, 12, 13, D, correct. Which will correspond to alphabet D. Yes, so you will write D. This again is D, and then this is 0, 1, 2, 4. तो ये तो 0 ही है, ये भी 0 है, तो 1, 2 and 4. 2 and 4 will give you 6. Correct. So this will finally evaluate to 6, D, 16. Okay. Don't get confused. देखो, why we say कि we form groups of 3 and groups of 4. Any correlation can you think of? Why in hexadecimal we form groups of 4?
Because sir, root of 16 is 4.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं देखो. Because see, how many digits are there in hexadecimal? Logic जानना जरूरी नहीं है, but I will tell you so that if you get confused, you can easily find out what grouping to apply.
16, sir.
Octal system में how many numbers are there? Octal system में
8.
8, sir.
Octal system में 8 numbers, 8 digits. Sorry, rather 8 numbers. And what are those numbers?
0 to 7.
0 to 7.
0 to 7. Okay. So if you notice, what is the minimum value? 0 के लिए कौन सा binary number होता है? 0 this is, let's say, binary. This is this, let's say, decimal. So 0 in decimal binary will correspond to 0 here also. 1 in binary will correspond to 1. Okay. 2 in binary will correspond to 1, 0. 3 in binary will correspond to 1, 1. 4 in binary will correspond to क्या? 1, 0, 0. 5, 1, 0, 1. 6, 1, 1, 0. And 7,
111.
111. Right? So can you see, if you have to represent, देखो, क्योंकि all the digits can range from, each of the digits in decimal number system will range from either 0 to 7. Okay, so smallest binary number that will represent a 0. That can represent a binary digit is 0 and biggest is 7. So therefore maximum will be 111. So इसीलिए 3 digits होता है और minimum will be 000. Okay. So therefore if you take in the groups of 3 all the minimum and the maximum numbers which can be the digits of the binary decimal number when you convert from decimal to binary, okay, they can be accommodated. Similarly, from hexadecimal to decimal में देखोगे minimum number is 0 which can be written as 4 sorry इसको हम ये मैंने गलत लिख दिया यार. I should have written this is in binary and this is in octal. Okay. Here hexadecimal and then no sorry binary and hexadecimal. Okay, so इसका क्या होगा? Smallest number in binary 0 can be written as 0 and similarly if you go the largest possible number that can be there. ठीक है binary में actually मैं इधर decimal ही समझा रहा था. Okay. ये डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में है 0 to 7 जो मैक्सिमम और ये हो सकता है और इधर क्या होगा 0 to 15 एंड 15 को अगर बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो व्हाट यू विल गेट 1 1 1 1 ठीक है विच विल बी कोरस्पॉन्डिंग टू f है ना. सो मैक्सिमम जो मिनिमम नंबर होगा 4 zeros होगा और मैक्सिमम होगा वो बाइनरी में. ओके इन बाइनरी that will be your ये तुम्हारा 4 times 1 which will correspond to hexadecimal में 15 which is f. 15 से बड़ा नंबर तो कोई है नहीं. So therefore if you form groups of 4 ठीक है binary number system में starting from the least hexadecimal number to the maximum hexadecimal number, okay, you will get everything. So इसीलिए इसका जो मैक्सिमम हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर होगा और डिजिट होगा that is f will be equivalent to 4 times 1 and that is the maximum number possible in the groups of 4. So minimum 0 and maximum 15 accommodate करने के लिए in order to accommodate minimum 0 and maximum 15 you need 4 digits. Okay, from 4 times 0 to 4 times 1. So therefore we do groups of 4 in hexadecimal. ठीक है समझ में आया तो ठीक है. If you have understood it's good. If you have not understood बस वो you remember the concept.
Sir, it's confusing, sir.
हाँ it's confusing तब फिर छोड़ देते हैं. I'll forget it. ठीक है. So this much is clear ना कि groups of 3 in if you are converting from binary to octal you will form groups of 3 and if you are converting from binary to hexadecimal you will form groups of 4. Can you do this? B1 A16 is equals to x2 hint go reverse. Go reverse क्या? Binary से you are going to decimal, sorry hexadecimal. What you do? Convert into groups of 4 and then whatever digit you get simplify it and then you convert accordingly. यहाँ पे देखो a है, a का वैल्यू क्या होगा? I'll solve one. B1A. A will be
10.
10.
B is
1
11.
is 1 only. And this is 11. ठीक है. इसका बाइनरी क्या होगा? Convert to binary everything. ठीक है. इसको भी बाइनरी में बदलो, इसको भी बाइनरी में बदलो. 11 को 1 को 1 10 को. Okay. So 10 will be 1 2 4 8. So 8 plus 2 will give you 10. So this should be 0 1. So this will be 1 0 1 0. 1 will be 1 only, but you have to form groups of 4. You will apply 3 zeros more. 11. So
1 0 1 1, sir.
1 0 1 1 देख लेते हैं. 8 4 2 1. So 8 plus 2 plus 1 will give you 11. So this will be 0. Rest will be 1. So you will get 1 0 1 1. Okay. Now when you write them, just bring them together, compress them together. So required number will be 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. देखो and let me know.
Sir, can you explain this again?
देखो, I'll start with this number. क्या किया था तुमने? Form groups of 4. If you have to convert this to hexadecimal, Ankit, देखो. Now what you will do? You will get here 10. You will get here 1. You will get here 11. 10 you know corresponds to what? A. 1 you know corresponds to 1 only. It's a valid hexadecimal digit. 11 you know corresponds to B. Are you getting it the same number as the question? Ankit?
Okay, sir, got it.
Now I have gone reverse. मैं यहाँ से BIA को I have just converted reverse. B1A को A is 10. This 1 is 1 only. B is 11. ठीक है? And now I have expanded them as I have converted them from decimal to binary, and such that even if such that they are formed in the groups of 4. देखो यहाँ पे 1 है, तो only 1 we will not write. We'll add 3 zeros before it if there are if the 4 digits are not there. समझ में? Let me know if you have understood. Even the girls, Ruchika, Pooja, and Nanika.
Sir, I didn't understand how you did the reverse conversion from hexa to binary.
Hexadecimal to binary. ये वाला. See, here this 10 is there now. 10 you have to convert to binary. Can you convert 10 to binary?
How, sir?
Arey, we have studied
Division method.
So this 10 is in decimal.
Yeah, this 10 is in decimal.
Okay, so when you
So,
convert
sir, it should be 0 1.
hexa,
Wait, Ankit, let him clear his doubt, then I'll get back to you.
when you convert hexadecimals alphabets to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, they become decimal numbers.
Yeah, because 14 is what? We don't have 14 in hexadecimal. No? That is represented in decimal only, 14.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Ankit, you were saying something.
Sir, but when you divide 10 by 2, it should be 0 1. Then it should go. Sir, written 1 0.
10 चलो देखते हैं. If you write it in reverse order, what will you get? 1 0 1 0. यही तो लिखा है ना. The same thing I have written here. Ankit, let me know if you have understood.
Okay, sir. So, sir, it is from hexadecimal to decimal, then to binary.
Not exactly hexadecimal to decimal. Each of the digits I am converting it into decimal.
Yes, sir.
Not the entire number. If you go by that approach, then it will take a lot of time.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay, इसमें बस grouping में you have to deal with decimal. देखो, I have written the steps ना यहाँ पे पहले. If converting from binary to octal, make groups of 3 in binary number, then find the decimal number system equivalent of each group. ठीक है, ग्रुपिंग में वी आर डीलिंग विद डेसिमल, नॉट द एंटायर नंबर. ओके, चलो एक दो क्वेश्चन और बनाओ. The same type I'll give you. Previous was question number 7. Sorry, 6, 7. F to A 9. 16 is equals to x2. Yes, let me know if you have found the answer.
So is it 1111 0001 1010 1001
Double one.
11
हाँ.
0001
0001
1010
10 10
1001.
1001. Chalo. So Aditya has found 4 times 1, 2 times 0. It's different from you, Rolvin, and
Sir, I
Aditya
also got Aditya one.
and Ruchika and Aditya have found the same answer. Okay, let us see. Yeah, you had any doubt? Abhay या आदित्य कुछ पूछ रहा था? Okay. Let us see. This 9. If you have written 15, this total comes as 15. So if you have written 9, which two numbers sum will give you 9? 8 plus 1. The rest will be 0. Only these two will be 1. So you will have this conversion as, पहले लिख लेते हैं. This f is 15. Okay. 2 is 2. A is 10. 9 is 9. Okay. 9 you will get as, after converting, okay, 9 कैसे आएगा? 1 and 1 यहाँ रहेगा, बीच में दोनों 0 रहेगा. So this you will get 1 0 0 1. Okay. This is 10. So 10, how will you get? 8 plus 2. That means 1 and 1 here, 0 and 0 here. So that means 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 2. 2 will be कैसे? बीच में बस ये 1 रहेगा. All the 3 will be 0. Okay, so 1 0. So 0 0 1 0. 15. 8 plus 4 12. 2 14 1 15. All should be 1. Okay. So now let us check. 4 times 1. उसके बाद बीच में कुछ गड़बड़ किया हो लगता है. You have made some mistake. So others have written 4 times 1, that is correct. Then 0 0 1 0 is correct. 1 0 1 0 is correct. 1 0 0 1 is correct. Yes, Ruchika, Abhay, Aditya, Ullas, you all got it correct. ठीक है. Rolvin, is it clear where you made mistake?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Ankit, is it fine?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. So this is how you do. Now, अब ये भी हो सकता है बीच में. Let's say if I give you a question, C7, let's say C7B. Okay, this is in 16 hexadecimal, and बताओ, nothing जो तुम लोग यूज किए हो, just apply a bit ये वाला conversion वाला logic and you will get the answer. Get the binary number and then from the binary number make groups of 3. Six 173 Ullas believes. Okay, one answer I have got as 6173 in octal. Okay, Aditya also got the same, right? Let us see. 6173. Okay. So we have C7B. B is what? 11. 7 is 7 only. C is what? 12. Okay. When you will convert them to binary and then in groups of 4, so 11 will be 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. 7 will be 0, 111. Okay. 4, 2, 6, 1, 7. 12 will be 8 plus 4 will give you 12. So these two should be 1 and then rest should be 0. It will be 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Right. Ruchika also got
So
this.
what is that 8421, sir?
Where is 8421?
That
2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. ठीक है?
okay, sir.
देखो 10 करना होता है तो क्या करते हैं? 1, देखो 8 plus 2 will give you 10. So these two should be 1. Then only now 1 plus 1 into 8 plus 1 into 2. ये शॉर्ट में मैं कर रहा हूँ. And these two should be 0. तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Only 8 plus 2 will give you the answer. तो answer should be 1, 0, 1 ऐसे. Okay. Ankit, you got it? How I am solving in rough? Ankit?
Got it, sir.
Okay. तुम उसको expanded form में भी कर सकते हो. Trust me, after some practice ना, you won't even need to convert. You will remember क्या होता है. ठीक है. Okay. So let us see. ये 1011 है. So now your number is in binary is 1100 0111 and then 1011. Now what you will do, you have to convert, this is in binary, you have to convert it into octal. Binary से octal जाने के लिए what you will do, you will convert into or you will break into groups of 3, right? So let's break it into groups of 3. Okay, so this will be 1, 2, that means 3. This 111 is 7. 100, this is 1 only, and this is 4 plus 2, 6. 6173. So your answer is 6173. That is correct. अच्छा, Aditya, you were also doing that. Which one? This one? अगर हाँ ऐसे convert करते हो तो it's good. ठीक है? Is it clear now? These conversions, इतने ही तरह के conversion आ सकते हैं. These are the only possible conversions that you can get. ठीक है? That is more than enough. I think इतना book में शायद cover भी ना किया हो. I'm not sure. Right? Now tell me anything, anyone having any problem regarding conversions. And now see, don't worry, इस तरह का भी हो सकता है. They may give you 8 in the exam. You may be asked 61738 is equals to x16. ठीक है? So first you will find this considering groups of 3 binary, and then you will in the number you will form the groups of 4 to get the hexadecimal. Reverse भी हो सकता है. So it's just an application of these type of questions. ठीक है? देखो कभी भी तुमको कोई नंबर मिले ना, I'll show you quick way of converting to binary. You need not always go into division method. ठीक है? If you have to mentally solve something, तो there are some, थोड़ा practice करोगे, you will be able to convert fast. कैसे? For example, I write any number here. ठीक है? 69. Let's say I have to convert it into binary. Start writing the powers of 2. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay, and stop at the number. In this way, if you go on, number which is closest to this one, 32, 64. ठीक है? तो 64 पे आ गए हो, तो just wait
So
here.
it will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 1.
देखते हैं. How will you get it? 64. तब 32 करोगे तो ज्यादा हो जाएगा. 16 करोगे तो it will exceed. 8 करोगे तो it will exceed. 4, 64 plus 4 will give you 68, and then 1 you will add, get 69. So only this and this will be 1. Rest will be 0. Okay. Now,
So 1 more 0 and 8.
okay, sorry, that I forgot. ठीक है? So 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. That is correct. Okay. Now, अब मान लो तुम्हें I give you next number 239. Can you tell me very fast? 64 है. I'll just rub it off. Okay, 64 है. Then 128 होगा. 256 होगा. Shall we include 256? No, क्योंकि it exceeds this number. Right. So 128 plus 64 करोगे, how much will you get? It can be added, which will still be less than this. Plus 32 करोगे, yes, it can still be added. ठीक है? तो ये तीनों को तो 1 रख लेते हैं. How much will you get?
16 will not be included, sir.
Huh?
16 will not be included.
16 will not be included because it will exceed them. ठीक है? 8 देखो ये क्या हो गया? 192 plus 32 will give you 120. Huh?
8, 2 and 1 will be added.
8, 2 and 1 will be added. This will not be there. 0, 1, 0.
Sir, 4 also will be added.
4 will be added. देखो ये कितना हुआ? 128 plus 64 will give you 192 plus
Yes,
32
sir.
will give you 124. 16 नहीं हो पाएगा. 8 कर देंगे तो 224 plus 8 232. हाँ, 4 will be added. Yes, 38. and ये नहीं होगा. 2 नहीं होगा, 1 हो जाएगा. So this will be here. It will be 1 0 1. I think.
Sir, 2 also will be included.
2 कैसे हो जाएगा? 2 भी इंक्लूड होगा क्या?
Sir, it will be 232 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1.
अच्छा 232. अच्छा this 8 नहीं होगा. Correct.
So all numbers except 16, sir.
All numbers except 16.
Yes, 8 will be there.
ठीक 8. ठीक है. मेरा मैथमेटिक्स का कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा स्लो है. I have gone rusty. But yes, इस तरह करके you all are in calculations करते रहते हो तो तुम लोग फास्ट कर सकते हो. ठीक है? So एक और ट्राई करना. 173. How will you do it? Same पे, इसी पे
So
देखो.
in this, we are converting from decimal to binary.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. क्या होगा? 128 is smaller than this, correct? 64 ऐड करेंगे नहीं, you cannot add 64. ठीक है? Then 32 can be added. Yes, 32 can be added. 1 होगा 0. Okay. So 132. This will be 58.
Sir, except 64, 16 and 2.
64, 16 and 2. अच्छा तो देख लो ये that will be 160 168 या करेक्ट ठीक है सो 0 1 1 0 1 इस तरह करके कर सकते हो दिस इज अ शॉर्टकट विथ इनफ प्रैक्टिस यू कैन गेट ठीक है 1 0 1 0 1 1 ठीक है 0 ये आ जाता है करेक्ट है तो इस तरह करके मैं मेंटली तब से वही कर रहा था सी इन द प्रीवियस पेजेस आई वाज डूइंग द सेम थिंग हियर बट फॉर कन्वर्जन टू हेक्साडेसिमल एंड डेसिमल इट वोंट टेक मच टाइम क्योंकि ये तो 15 तक ही होता है ना तो 8421 यू विल राइट यू विल बी एबल टू डू ओके
Sir, in 173, 1 won't be added, sir.
1 won't be added
Yes, sir.
देखो 128
Yeah,
plus
but
32
it is odd number, so it has
हाँ.
to be added.
देखो 132 plus 128 plus 32 gives you 160 168 172 173 correct
Okay, sir, my fault, sir.
ठीक okay so this is how you do calculations one thing which I think you should not know but I will tell you but don't ask me too many questions there ठीक है ये तो तुम्हारा सारा रफ की तरह ले लो इसको rough conversion from decimal to binary. Now sometimes how in decimal number system how are these numbers with decimal points sorry in binary number system how the numbers that is the floating point numbers are represented how are they represented वो दिखा देता हूँ let's say if you have a decimal binary number system and you have to convert it into ऐसा है and you have to find in decimal तो यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं करना है तुम्हें you will just write it 1101.11 this is 2 to the power 0 2 to the power 1 2 to the power 2 2 to the power 3 और जो डेसिमल के बाद होगा ना उसको you start writing as the power -1 और सबको ऐड करते चलो so you will get 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 by 2 okay plus
1 by 4.
1 multiplied by 1 by 4 so whatever is the answer that will be the equivalent in decimal don't ask me how it is done in reverse that I won't tell you ठीक है you can do it no need to learn and explore वो कॉलेज में पढ़ोगे ठीक है
What reverse? Yeah?
from decimal
Decimal to
मतलब कि the reverse way कि अगर if there is decimal number system is in floating point form how can you get it in this one in binary number system ठीक है वो नहीं उस पे हम लोग कंसंट्रेट नहीं करेंगे even this I shouldn't have discussed क्योंकि yesterday Aditya mentioned this so I put it up here similarly अगर तुम्हारा if you have like this also let's say 8 not 8 723.67 ये भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो हाउ this will be equals to 7 into 8 to the power 2 plus 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 1 plus 3 multiplied by 8 to the power 0 plus 6 multiplied by 8 to the power -1 plus 7 multiplied by 8 to the power -2 तो whatever is the answer ठीक है तो इसी तरह किसी नंबर सिस्टम में so you can go from one number system to another number system ठीक है with this we conclude our discussions for most of the number systems का हम लोग discussion खत्म हो गया I think there is nothing much a bit of practice be in touch else if you leave it if you do not practice on 1 or 2 question on your own even today it will slip slowly but in the exam you will find yourself in no man's land ठीक है याद ही नहीं रहेगा what to do where to convert from grouping of 3, grouping of 2, where to convert, write in expanded notation, where to write in division method. ठीक है, तो इसलिए जो ये जो दो both the classes you should revise today 15-20 minutes and then it will be settled. ठीक है, so this is all. एक चीज और है that we will discuss programming related to these things. Okay, और कल करेंगे हम लोग. Tomorrow we'll see.
Sir, can we leave it in fraction?
Can we?
Decimal number system, can we leave it in fraction, sir?
Where?
1/2, that one.
अच्छा, प्रीवियस वाला. हाँ, यहाँ तक भी करके दे दोगे, जैसे ये वाला जो बोल रहे हो नेक्स्ट. Where is that? Okay. Right, हाँ. This one you are saying, yes, if you leave it up to the, मैं पूछूंगा नहीं, even if I ask, मान लो, तो even if you leave up to this point and you do not calculate, ठीक है, मतलब कि यहाँ से करके plus 1/2, 1/4, because this is not a mathematics paper. I want to check कि you know the process or not. So, what are its applications? That's a very good question. Have you ever, जो hexadecimal number system में, have you ever seen paint वगैरह में if you apply colors or somewhere if you have to choose colors?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen
Xcode.
they represent the numbers, colors in hexadecimal number system?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So around, let's say 15 million colors can be represented by in your this any painting and this any image processing software. ठीक है? So what is the advantage? देखो, yeah, RGB values जो होते हैं, correct, Ullas. RGB values है, they are represented in hexadecimal form. The reason is because there are around 15 to 16 million numbers. So what is the advantage is कि जिस number system में, whichever number system is having more number of digits, ठीक है? So very large numbers can be written with very small digits. That is the advantage of the bigger number systems. So therefore, because around 15 to 16 million colors are there, na, so इसीलिए उसको decimal number system में लिखने में it will be having a lot of digits. So because decimal is having 10 and hexadecimal is having 16 digits, so therefore the same number in hexadecimal system will be accommodated in very less number of digits. Yes, देखो binary, चलो पूछ दिए हो तो बता देते हैं, but you will learn these things in colleges. हाँ. Okay, chalo, remind me tomorrow. आज छोड़ देता हूँ मैं, because you have, I think, English class also. Sir, have we completed the programming part of our syllabus? No, Rolvin. We have to practice a lot. Theoretically, yes, we have covered, and one part is there, dictionary is left. वो cover करेंगे. So what I intend is, before we go on vacations, just 1 minute I'll take. But yes, for tomorrow, just remind me, then I'll continue with my discussion. I will cover the applications of number systems. ठीक है, plus other number systems. Other number systems कुछ होता नहीं है, but I'll show you the trend so that if कोई आगे जाके कुछ बोले तो तुम you can follow the same trend and convert. ठीक है? So हाँ, I was telling you कि before we go to vacations, what I intend to cover is, before we leave for vacations, all programs, all programming part, all programming, then number system तो हो गया, and mind it, this number system is from your another unit, second unit का part है. Okay, but because it is required in programming, so I have discussed. Then built-in functions, built-in functions of maths and yeah, before winter vacation, I think before 22nd or 23rd. Okay, maths and strings. Okay, and there are some small, very, very small topics, 15-20 minutes topic बचा हुआ है, that is what are tokens, character sets, characters, इसका image लेके रख लो so that if I forget I can remember. Okay, tokens, character set, and then one is multiple expressions in single lines. Multiple expressions. What do I mean by that? We'll see. In single line, and then you will have one more thing I was thinking of. Yeah, preference order, precedence chart. Chart.
Sir, you explained that a bit.
A bit की है, उसको पूरा एग्जांपल के साथ सॉल्व करेंगे. What is the project? क्या बोल रहे हो? Project नहीं है. See, what I am saying is, apart from that, unit 3, make presentation on your own. On book का index देखो, read the chapter, read plus present it in concise manner. Okay. Concise का spelling देख लेना. Okay. ठीक है, ये तो गलत ही है. एनीवेज, सो ये देख लेना. नो कॉपी पेस्ट मत कर देना डायरेक्टली कि वॉट एवर दे हैव रिटन इन द बुक्स यू विल.
Sir, and chapter 1 also we can make this.
No, that I'll take. ठीक है, and this will serve as your project viva for final exam. I'll also take up some important topics, but mostly you will teach me this for annual. Okay, ठीक है, चलो.
After vacation, right, sir?
हाँ, you take vacations है. Vacations के even in first 2 weeks तुम ले सकते हो टाइम. Okay, first week of January, by 10th of January, 15th of January तक you be ready with this. Okay, you have 1.5 months around. ठीक है, चलो, I'll stop here.